Just look around at all the trash the astronauts and scientists left behind, scattered about the beauty of this plane. All man's science and technology cannot understand the moon. Mighty symbol of eons, visible sign, uplifting men's eyes to the heavens. You all know I speak the truth. Many of our people, and even some of us, cling to nostalgia, but it is not the same as that deep experience of the divine. Lifting his lance into the air, waving it about, Rosamund leaping apace, raising her forelegs, Cervantes exclaimed, "Obey, Lord Apollo, I challenge you! I call here a parliament of poets. In high consultation we shall find the way back home to the depths of man's soul, what we have all known and sung about for our people, that they might find wisdom through the light." To put it simply, not one of us can bear what's put down on paper these days, or rather, computer screens and digital bytes. So I invited all would-be poets, toss the gauntlet down before them, find a way to reach the imagination of humanity, raise a new song. He alone chose it, waving his lance at me. The age produces poetasters by droves, little songsters lost in self, despicably trite, cynical, and despairing ditties. This man has sacrificed for the muse, begged and sought her beauty, and she is here to tell you so if you think otherwise. He ended, glancing toward Calliope, all eyes following her beauty, ever youthful, inspiring wisdom in her small band of devoted ones. Discreetly she acknowledged Cervantes' words, bowing her head gently in her diaphanous gown, all the muses behind her on the moon. And then Cervantes said, "That is why I called you all here and sent a guide to lead this embodied poet to the moon. Exceptional times require exceptional means. We must all pitch in and help this poet, or our cause may be lost forever, and every one of you knows you fear it. Watching what they're doing down there, the way the world goes from bad to worse. Put aside the old rules about embodied spirits not allowed amongst us. The astronauts didn't worry about that, did they? It's too late now. The urgency of the hour must bring us together for all mankind. We have all arrived. Let us begin."